In this video, I'm going to evaluate the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix A there. So we are given that matrix. To evaluate that determinant, I'm going to use the cofactor expansion method. When using that method, we can choose any row or a column to expand. Generally, it is recommended to pick a row or column with the most number of zeros as it simplifies the calculations. So in this case, we see that row number 2 there. Yes, the most number of zeros, it says 2 zeros, so it will be convenient to expand using row number 2. The next step is now to look at the sign factor. So for the sign factor, we look at the array of positive, negative, positive, negative. If we look at this 0 here, is on the second row, first column. It's corresponding to a minus here. So its sign factor is a -1. The 4 is corresponding to this positive. It's on the second row, second column. So its sign factor is a plus. Then for the 0 here, it's corresponding to this minus sign, second row, third column. So its sign factor there is a -1. The next step, I will now look at those elements one by one. If we look at the 0 there, there's no need to look at the cofactor there because what we would have is 0 multiplied by the determinants of the uncovered elements, of which you know that 0 multiplied by anything gives us a 0. So there's no need to evaluate there where we have the zeros. We just go to where we have the non-zero number, the 4 there. So what I'll do there is I'll close the row that contains the 4 there, close the column that contains the 4. So the 4, its sign factor is a plus. So we just write the 4 there since it's positive. Then it is multiplying the determinant of the uncovered elements. The uncovered elements there, and they are 6, 2, 1, 9. So as I said, the other ones, there's no need to evaluate for them because they are having zeros there. So I will now go on and evaluate that determinant. If we have a 2 by 2 matrix, A, B, C, D, its determinant is AD minus BC. So what this formula is saying is we take the product of these two elements, subtract the product of these two elements. So what you have there is 4 multiplied by 6 times 9 minus 2 times 1. So when we simplify there, what is in the brackets there? The 6 times 9 gives us a 54. 2 times 1 gives us a 2. So we'll be having 54 minus 2, which gives us a 52. 52 multiplied by 4, 52 multiplied by 4, and that will give us 208. So what we are having there is the determinant of the matrix that we are given there is 208.